Good morning. How's everybody on YouTube doing? It's 4:45 in the morning here in Central Texas, Travis County. Just to let you all know, since we've had the GoPro that came out since sometime last year, they came out with a media mod. Came out with a little light fixture, a little LED light that would be connected to the media mod for the GoPro Hero 8. They made it so that it could be used as a blogging camera, except that there had been some delays on the display mod. We were hoping that the display mod would have been available since back then, and it was always it was backed up. And then COVID-19 came in and it made things worse. So we weren't able to get that display available. But lo and behold, if you own a GoPro Hero 8 and have the media mod, look up the GoPro website. I believe they have some available already. I ordered mine last night. And because I am a GoPro Plus member, instead of paying $79.99, which would have been for the display mod, because you're a GoPro Plus member, and I've been a GoPro Plus member for the past 4 years already. I got mine at exactly $55, so I didn't have to pay the whole full price on it, and it should be available. After the 16th is when they'll start to mail them to the first come, first serve. It's a first come, first serve basis. They only have a couple of 100,000 of them. It's what I'm figuring. But a lot of people did order these. They're very, very popular. And of course, naturally, the GoPro Hero 9 is be coming out sometime by the end of September, maybe the beginning of October. That one, you can see the videos. Now, I don't really believe in the videos yet because I haven't really seen hard proof of how the GoPro Hero 9 is going to look like. They're saying that it's going to have a built-in front screen, which is fine. But it'll be that little screen that looks like the Insta360 or the DJI Osmo Action. It's got a small screen. I would still prefer the media mod because it's got a bigger screen. You'd be able to align yourself when you're taking a shot with a bigger screen, especially since if you have a selfie stick and you're looking at yourself, unless you have bionic eyes, and you're going to be able to see a little small square coming out of the Insta360 or the Osmo Action or the Hero 9, then good luck to you. But I would have preferred the display mod from the GoPro Hero 8. So this one's a keeper for me. I don't think I'll need the Hero 9. But the choice is yours. And this is all I wanted to say as far as this video is concerned. Y'all have a good morning and have a good weekend, and maintain that safe social distancing. And may God bless.